Okay, our Packard came back. Everything seems okay, but it wasn't charging. So we took the generator off and sent it to the repair shop to be repaired. And they upgraded it with a new electronic regulator. Works real good. Puts out fine. Problem we had with this was we sent it to the local alternator repair shop and they could not bench test it because of the bearing up inside the timing cover. So I got this plastic here and a circle cutter on the router. And I got a little creative. I made a temporary front bearing plate. This is when they painted it at the repair shop. But anyway, this is where I did some test cuts. So I took a 3/4 bearing, just anything off the shelf. And these were actually in here. So this first one I cut this opening, and there's a ridge on the front of the generator, and that lets it sit up on the ridge. And then I cut a small pocket here to align the bearing. On the back piece I cut a deep pocket that goes in here. So, and I just put the holes here to hold it together while I assembled it. But see if I can line these up one-handed. So there's a little temporary plate that you bolt to the front of the generator, and that supports the front of the armature, and you can send it to the alternator shop and you go to the hardware store and just get a pulley so they can spin it up. So this was a temporary setup. There's my screws here that go in here. Like I said, this just holds everything together until you get the 3 bolts in it. The shimming didn't work out just right. I had to make it a little bit deeper, so I ended up stacking about 3 washers on each one to shim it away just slightly. But it worked great. So there's the little router with the circle cutting jig on it. I'll probably never use this again, but there we go.